is what aconitase. Here what will be takes place? Removing of a water molecule takes place. Then cis aconitic acid converted into isocitric acid. Here also enzyme is aconitase. Here addition of water molecule takes place. Cis aconitic acid converted into water isocitric acid. Then isocitric acid converted into oxalosuccinic acid. Oxalosuccinic acid. Here enzyme is a dehydrogenase. That is why NADH plus H plus is going to forming. Then oxalosuccinic converted into alpha ketoglutamic acid. Alpha ketoglutaric acid. Glutaric acid. Here enzyme is a decarboxylase. Decarboxylase means what? Removal of CO2. That is why here one CO2 molecule was removed from where? Oxalosuccinic acid. Then it will be converted into alpha ketoglutaric acid. Then alpha ketoglutaric acid converted into what? Succinyl coenzyme A. That is why here addition of coenzyme A and removal of CO2. Again here enzyme is dehydrogenase. That is why NAD plus converted into what? NADH plus H plus. Then succinyl coenzyme A converted into succinic acid. Here also what? One ATP molecule is going to forming. ADP plus inorganic phosphate or IPR, PI, whatever it may be, inorganic phosphate. Then what will be forming? ATP. Whether ATP is formed or utilized, already I told the enzyme is what? Kinase. Enzyme is what? Kinase. Here removal of coenzyme A takes place. Then succinic acid converted into fumaric acid. Here also dehydrogenase enzyme. FAD means flavin adenine dinucleotide. Flavin adenine dinucleotide. NAD means nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Here FAD means flavin adenine dinucleotide. Okay, succinic acid converted into fumaric acid, then fumaric acid converted into malic acid. Malic acid in the presence of what? Fumarase. FUMERASE. Fumarase. Here addition of a water molecule takes place. Then malic acid again converted into water? Oxalosuccinic acid, commonly called OAA. Oxalosuccinic acid. Here the enzyme is what? Dehydrogenase. Dehydrogenase. That is why NADH plus H plus is going to forming. Here what happened here? The reactions of steps, equations of steps takes place in a cyclic manner. That is why it is called what? A cycle. This is very easy. Don't feel by watching it may be takes some lot of time for reading what, for remembering what all this reaction. Don't think like that. If you are concentrately listening, so this is very easy. If hydrogen molecule is going to releasing, that is the at that region, what is the enzyme? Dehydrogenase. So carbon dioxide is going to releasing, that is what? Decarboxylase. Whether ATP is going to forming or ATP is going to utilize, the enzyme is what? Kinase. Like that, if you are going to remembering, it is very easy. But you should also make like this chart and keep it where at your home, in your home, where you have to spend more time. So by frequently watching, so you have to easy to remembering. So whenever you are going to watching frequently, it is easy to remember. Otherwise otherwise there will be chances to forgetting all these steps or equations. That is why you are also make like this chart. Then summary equations. Okay, in this reaction what happened? In this cycle what happened means one pyruvic acid enters into where Krebs cycle, there will be 4 NAD plus coenzymes are involving, 1 FAD plus coenzyme is involving, 2 water molecules are utilized, ADP plus inorganic phosphate, which will be takes place at where? Matrix of mitochondria. There will be removing of 3 CO2 molecules, then there will be formation of 4 NADH plus H plus, then H plus, then FADH2, then ATP. So these are the products. So after drawing like this cycle, so like glycolysis, you should also write equations like this, 10 equations. But compared to glycolysis, here some names are there, equation names are there. So after writing that equation name, you should understand it very clearly. Here condensation, first equation name is what? Condensation. Condensation means what? OAA combines with what? Acetyl coenzyme A. That is the meaning of condensation. These two are going to mix with each other and forms what? one more product, that is what is that? Citric acid, citric synthase. In the presence of what? Citric synthase, citric acid is going to forming. Oxaloacetic acid, in the presence of acetyl coenzyme A, citric acid is going to forming. Then dehydration, removal of water. Citric acid converted into cis-aconitic acid in the presence of aconitase enzyme, removing of water. Hydration, addition of water. Cis-aconitic acid converted into isocitric acid, aconitase. Then oxidation one, you know very well, oxidation and reduction. Okay, isocitric acid here NAD plus one coenzyme, then oxalosuccinic acid, then NADH plus H plus dehydrogenase. Decarboxylation, removal of CO2. Then oxidation 2R, oxidative decarboxylation. Alpha ketoglutarate acid, then NAD plus coenzyme A, succinyl coenzyme A. So like this, you have to write succinyl coenzyme A, succinic acid kinase. Then succinic acid, fumaric acid, dehydrogenase. Then fumaric acid converted into malic acid in the presence of fumarase. Then malic acid finally converted into what? Again OAA in the presence of dehydrogenase. Again OAA is mixed with what? Acetyl CoA. Okay, and remember it here, during glycolysis, how many pyruvic acids are going to forming? 2. How many? 2. That is why these steps are taking place 2 times, not a 1. Okay, this reaction also takes 2 times, because there will be how many pyruvic acids are going to forming? 2 pyruvic acids are going to forming during glycolysis pathway. This is very easy. Okay, you have to practice it. Without practice, you can't learn anything. That is why more practice is needed. Don't afraid. By watching these steps or equations, don't afraid. Okay, actually our chapter name is what? Respiration. In that respiration, 3 broader steps are there, major steps are there. First one is what? Glycolysis, then is what? Krebs cycle, and next one is what? ETS. So from this, glycolysis is completed and Krebs cycle is completed. In tomorrow class we will discuss about what? ETS, electron transport system. In that, what happened? The NADH2 converted into what? ATPs. That is the main theme, main importance of what? ETS. Thank you for listening. All the best.